Here we are with another Cool Loser Tech video. These are the best apps of the week, so let's do this.
Well, what do you know? It's the Cool Loser for show. To deliver, so get ready for some apps in game. Number one spot, this is the place to go. Android tech, you know, doing my thing. The best of the weeks, you know how it goes. Here on Cool Loser Tech, let's start the show.
Okay, let's take a look at my live wallpaper of the week, and it is called Bubble Droids. As you can see right here, bubbles are flying through. Kind of pop the bubbles and you will see that your score kind of gets higher. The red ones are the bad ones that you don't want to pop. That's basically, it just doesn't give you points on that, but you can change the colors in the background, the speed of the bubbles. Looks great. Alrighty, let's get on with the best apps of the week now, shall we? And I'll start off with Shimmer. Now, Shimmer is an application for those people who run out of ideas to what to do for the day. Find something to do on Shimmer. It'll give you a little tutorial when you start running and tell you what categories you would like to look at. So that way it'll give you relevant stuff that you would like to do. Now here it says, find stuff to do. But what's there to do in my area? Let's say I want to go out tonight and take a girl out for a date. What can I do to find something unique? Click on that, so it's going to be in the nearby area. If I want to do something at home, click on that. These are the top categories that I chose, and obviously there's still more, but I just haven't clicked on them. Once you're nearby, you'll see different people's postings, as in people already done this type of things. Well, it has to start somewhere where people share their activities. If you want to visit Portland, click on that plus sign. So now it's checked. Let's click on activity, and you will see I'm actually logged in with my Twitter account, saying I want to visit Portland. And you will see people's activities. And let's say I've done it. Go to your profile, you can edit your stuff through here. Now let's say you want to share something. Let's click on this little pen right here. And you will get to add to Shimmer. And I added one where I said visit Cool Loser Tech. And here it says watch Cool Loser Tech on YouTube. Click on that. If they're in my area, they'll be able to see this kind of posting. It's pretty cool. If this seems like something you would like to try out, go do it to it. Here next we have OnScreenOff. Okay, now this application has so many features that I'm not going to be able to go through all of them, but I'm going to tell you the main basics of this application. It is for saving battery. This application might help you even get up to even days worth. Instead of switching different buttons on and off and going through your settings and change it all up, this application will do all its work on its own. You just kind of set it to do what you want it to do. And then we go to this little area where it says day mode. When the screen turns off, what would you like to do? So if I turn the screen off, what will happen during that time? But as soon as I turn my screen back on, everything I want to see will connect, and that will save me lots of battery. Night mode, battery mode, data connection, Wi-Fi connection, Bluetooth, restore airplane mode. Maybe you don't have your charger with you, or you're at a party and you just want to play music, you don't want no interference or anything. You can turn these kind of settings on and off. I mean, just crazy amount of stuff that you can really help to save your battery on here. Just go check it out for yourself. It's just too much for me to explain. If you're definitely one of those people whose battery keeps draining quick and you don't like that, well, give this a try. Next up, we have MP3dit. Now, this application is not an MP3 downloader. It is an MP3 fixer. Let's say you've downloaded lots of songs and a lot of the titles are really messed up, or you got all your albums like mixed up, they're lost. This application is supposed to kind of reunite them all, organize them, and put the correct titles and artist names into your MP3s. Does that sound like something you would like to try? I think so, because when I was downloading my songs before in the past, you had to input your own stuff, and I went through hours of changing the names and albums. Well, this is supposed to help you with that. Now, I can't really show you exactly because I still do not have any songs on my phone because I've changed ROMs and I haven't even added songs yet because I've been so busy and I've just been doing lots of stuff. You know, you would go into edit songs here, and you'll see the song list right there. You can edit it yourself. You know, just read the description for this application. When you're at the Play Store, you'll see what it can do, what it does. It's gonna be awesome. Go try it out for yourself. Next up, we have Twonky Mobile. Twonky Mobile is an application for you to wirelessly stream your pictures, video, music, and all the stuff that's capable of running through this application. I want to hook up my phone and stream what I got going on to my big screen TV. You see the music and videos, and you see photos right here in this little area. Now, I'm connected just to my phone. I don't have my PCs on right now, but if you do, you'll be able to connect to your computer. I want to send what I got on my phone to my computer and watch it on my computer, or see stuff what's on my computer. I can watch it on my phone. If you read in the description when you download this application, it'll actually tell you, if I remember correctly, it said you can connect this to your PS3 and Xbox 360. That seems pretty cool. And if this sounds like something you would like to try, go try it out for yourself. Here next we have PlayUp. PlayUp is an application for the sports Fanatics. You get to choose your football, basketball, rugby, cricket, hockey, baseball. You can choose the popular sports through this application, and you'll see that I chose basketball. Let's click on the basketball one, and you will see the NBA, which is what's going on right now, versus OKC in Miami. So this is like a little group activity where you want to talk about sports, you know, just to entertain yourself with people's topics of what they think about the sports or what's going on. Just talk sports. If you would like to make your own hangout, click on this, and you create your little group right there. So did an Android one in this category, so if people wanted to say something, they can click onto there. They'll see that I'm logged into my Twitter account. You can integrate your responses with Facebook, Twitter, other social networks. It might be a little lonely right now, but I think soon enough it'll be more popular where you'll see more people interacting with each other on here. Go try it out for yourself. Here next we have my Xbox Live. I have an Xbox 360 ever since it came out. This Xbox Live account allows you to check what's on. It reminds me like if I had a Windows phone. I like the effects for it. But I'm just going to scroll to the next page and you will see social, and you should see me running in through here. And there's my character, my information there. And you will see that I can check if my friends are online, check my messages, click on that. And you will see people messages I can reply back and forth, refresh, and let's click on this one. And you will see what he said, and I can reply with this button. See what friends are online. There's the friends list. What time they last played, what game they're currently playing. And you got your beacons, and switch over and you will see the games that I've played. So there's my points, and that's pretty much it. So it's a quick application, works really good. I don't see why you wouldn't test it out for yourself. Next up we have outdoor navigation. If you're one of those people who are travelers, camping, hiking, and all the other stuff, as soon as I run this application, it'll track my movements. This application is on, and if I run to my mom's house from where I live, it'll actually pinpoint a little trail on the map where I walked, and I can see what the distance, how long it took me to get there. You can see here there's a whole bunch of different options. You can see you got a compass. If you go into Trip Manager, you can see that it's recording, and it's been recording ever since you launched the application. If you don't want to have that always running, you know, you can turn it off. You can see you got different tabs there. Now if you got an emergency, something's gonna happen, you know, you can set your SOS. Go into the map. Now when you're in the map, you're gonna have lots of options to change. You can see right here the trail of things moving around where I supposedly walked around, and you can pinpoint yourself by clicking that. But going in here in the map type, you'll be able to see that you got lots of different maps you can choose from. So if you got favorites, click out of there, and then go to Trip Tools, Speedometer. If you want to see how fast you're traveling, go to the charts. Settings is obviously to change different settings. Add-ons, if you want to add some more features on here. And also the other possibility of using this application, track your car maybe this way, retracing your footsteps. Go try it out for yourself. Why not, right? Next up we have Wi-Fi Booster. Claims to boost your connectivity with Wi-Fi. But here's the cool use of it. Lots of our phones don't have quick toggles to turn on your Wi-Fi or off. Well, this application is supposed to help you get there quicker. Obviously, you got to launch the application. That's one click. And number two is to click one of these on which ones you want to turn on. Connect to the best signal, which was remembered, or connect to the best open wireless network. Boost your Wi-Fi connection. So let's say you're getting connection, but you want to somehow get even better connection. Click that. Now, I can't say if Wi-Fi Booster actually works, but you know, try it out. Maybe you weren't getting a good signal around your area, and now that you clicked on it, now you're getting a better signal. I don't know. But this application will help you out. Connect to your Wi-Fi quick and easy and fast as possible. Go try it out for yourself. Maybe it'll work. And last but not least, we have Fancy Snap. Fancy Snap is an application for the sexting. Say you want to send a sexy pic to your boyfriend or to whoever, and you know most likely those people are going to save those pictures. But check this out. This application is supposed to send a picture within a time limit, and it'll self-destruct so that he can only see it for 10 seconds, and it'll delete real quick. He doesn't even have to have this application. I haven't even got the chance to test it out myself. I sent my roommate a picture of my nipple just so he can open it and see what happens, and he hasn't opened it yet because he's working. But it's supposed to self-destruct the pictures so that they don't get to save it and they only get to see it for a certain amount of time. And let's go into this little area, and you will see that 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or 15 seconds. Click on here, load a photo or take a photo. So I want to take a photo and be like, ooh, I'm gonna send a picture of my booty. And then there's the picture that's taken, and let's click this. Say that's my nudie picture, and I can actually choose some little options here if I click on there. You can censor and I say there's my nipple, and I just censor my nipple. I don't know, this seems like something you want to mess around and play around, or you want to use it, go do it to it. Just swung my hand again while I was talking. So there you guys have it. These are the best apps of the week right off Google Play Store. Go check them out. And as always, please rate, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to spread the word of the Cool Loser. Thank you for joining, guys. And I shall see you for some games this week on Thursday. Or maybe Friday. Alrighty, guys. I hope you guys enjoy these applications I rounded up for you. Go do it to it. And I shall see you guys later.
The Cool Loser is in the house, oh yeah. That's how you know.